Hello, and thank you for watching our video tutorial about how to use Aweber. My name is Courtney Steinwinder.
I'm Kayla Wong.
And I am Brooke Coster. We are doing a technology video project on Aweber, which is an email marketing platform with autoresponder sequences.
An autoresponder sequence is a series of emails that is automatically sent out to people subscribed to your email list. It is a way for you to arrange your content in a linear manner. To do this, you create a number of automated pre-written emails that get sent to subscribers in sequential order. The emails begin on the first day a person subscribes without you having to do any extra work.
Our objectives are to teach individuals how to market their art in a simple and personal way. Aweber is unique because it diminishes the time that you would spend creating marketing content so that you can focus more on building rapport. We are going to show you how to set up an autoresponder in Aweber. An autoresponder is like a salesman that automatically pitches your leads without you having to lift a finger.
So, what we're first going to do is go to Google and look up our site, Aweber. On Aweber, you can start a 30-day free trial. After the first 30 days, it does cost $19.99, but for our purposes, we'll just be using the free trial. So first, you're going to want to log in. We already created a login email, but the steps are very simple in order for you to get an account signed up. The first thing you're going to want to do once you're on your account is to import your subscribers. So you're going to hover over subscribers, click add subscribers, and you've come to the screen you want to be at. For our purposes, we created an Excel spreadsheet. You're going to want to enter your first name, last name, and email address all in different rows and columns for your Aweber mailing list. From there, you're going to want to file and save it. We've already done this. From there, you're going to want to click Import More Than 10 Subscribers. This is the easiest way to get your subscriber list onto your Aweber platform. You're going to want to drag and drop the document onto the drag file here box. From there, it's going to ask you to categorize each of your separate rows and columns into first name, last name, and email. It's going to ask you how they joined. For our purposes, we had our information provided in person. They signed up with us through the Leap 220 website. We definitely want our website subscribers to receive follow-up emails. That's why we're using Aweber. So we're going to say yes. Send my first follow-up messages to these subscribers once the import is approved. As we learned in Leap 220, it's very important for your subscribers to have an opt-in option to your newsletter. So here's our confirmation email for our subscribers to opt into our newsletter, and we're going to finish our import. So once we have our list of subscribers, we're going to want to start our email message list. Hover over messages and create a follow-up series. It gives you three options: to code your own HTML, to drag and drop an email builder on a template, and to use a plain text message. If you use templates, it has varying templates that you can use to make your email list seem more fun, friendly, or eye-catching. For our purposes, however, we are not going to use any of these templates.
So what you're going to do is, once again, hover over messages, click on follow-up series, and then you're going to go ahead and click on create a follow-up and a plain text message, because we've gone ahead and pre-made our newsletters. So at the top, you're going to see a subject line bar. This is the subject line of the emails your subscribers are going to receive. Some little subject line tips are to try and keep it short. Get your point across in about 6 to 8 words. Place your most important words at the beginning. Indicate if you need a response. And don't put it in all caps, because that's like yelling at your audience, and you really don't want to give them anxiety. So underneath the subject line is the body of your email. Adding and modifying content is simple. You just type it in, hover over it, and you can change the font size, etc. We've gone ahead and created a sample that we are just going to copy and paste. So open your email, File, Edit, Copy, go back to Aweber, click on Edit, and Paste. So when you're done, you should go ahead and make sure that it looks the way you want formatting wise, and click Save. You're going to scroll to the top where you'll see a test button. It's a little black button. You should click on this to test your email to ensure that everything looks okay. So type in your email address and click Send Test. So when you send your test, it's going to go ahead and send to your email. And if you pull up your email, you can make sure that nothing looks awkward. And if everything looks good, you can go back to Aweber, click on Next, and click Save and Exit. You'll see now that your message has been saved. So you're going to want to add more emails to your autoresponder sequence. It's easiest if you're using a template to click copy, but since we didn't, we are going to create a new one. We're going to again choose plain text message. And again, you need a catchy subject line. And then in the body section of your email, we're going to open our newsletter 2 that we've already created. Select all and copy it. Go back to Aweber, click in your body text and paste it. Again, you want to make sure that your formatting looks okay and test your email to have it sent to yourself once again. So after you do that, you're going to scroll to the bottom and click Next. And you'll see a thing where it says number 2 sent blank days after previous. So we're going to go ahead and have it sent out a week from the first one. And this is the interval between when your subscriber will receive email 1 and email 2. Under Send window, where the little red box says off, you're going to want to turn it on. And then you can see that you can customize when your emails will be sent out. So you can kind of cater it to your target market's needs. For our case, we're going to try not to select Monday mornings because your emails might get buried in what was left over from the weekend. And you're also going to want to send messages based on each subscriber's local time, so it's a little more personalized. And again, you're going to want to apply these days and times to all messages in your series. So then you're going to go down, click Save and Exit. So now you'll see that you have both of your emails, and if you want, you can go ahead and edit your emails by clicking the Edit button. And also, if you want to rearrange the order, you can drag number 2 and place it on top of number 1. And you can always add more emails by continuing to create more emails by creating follow-ups.
So, since these newsletters are not time sensitive, be cautious not to use dates or specific event references within your emails. Make the emails informational and conversational, not time sensitive. In conclusion, Aweber is a quick and easy way to schedule the sending of emailed newsletters. It ensures consistency, personal and direct informational sharing that can assist in diminishing artists' marketing efforts, leaving more time for artists to create.
So now you know how to preserve your time and set up autoresponders using Aweber.
Thank you for watching our video.
I'll never come back on an old school time.